presenting the OnePlus Nord 5G. The phone comes in color options of grey ash, marble blue, and grey onyx. The phone has display of 6.44-inch 90Hz Fluid AMOLED display on 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution. The phone also has no signs of wear. It has 48MP plus 8MP plus 5MP plus 2MP quad rear camera. It has 4K 30fps 32MP plus 8MP front dual camera. It has 1080p video at 3060fps and 4K video capture at 3060fps and 1080 video capture. It has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. It supports 5G plus 4G support, dual 4G SIM cards and single 5G SIM. It runs on Android 10 operating system. It is powered by 2.4 GHz Cryo 475 Prime plus 2.2 GHz Cryo 475 Gold plus 6 by 1.8 GHz Cryo 475 Silver Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G mobile platform octa-core processor and Adreno 620 GPU. It also features dual SIM, electronic compass and sensor core. Accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. The delivery box contains handset, screen protector, pre-applied, and WOB Charge 30 power adapter. WOB Type-C cable, support USB 2.0, quick start guide and welcome letter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.